MidJourney is very good at generation of the images, but unfortunately it is paid and you cannot generate more images if you are not going to purchase the plan that are provided by MidJourney. So we are going to cover the free alternatives to MidJourney, and they are also good at generating the images. All the AI tools are having some plus and minus, or you can say pros and cons, but you can select the image generation platform that you feel is good for you. Today we will discover the AI tools available in the field of image generation. All of them are either free or they provide some limited number of image generation per day. So you don't need to purchase anything for that. We will also try to provide the same prompt to all the image generation platforms so that we can compare the ability of generation of images of each platform. So this is MidJourney, but we don't want to use MidJourney as of now. But for the comparison purpose, let us just give a prompt which we are going to use in each model. So it's a city landscape on a moon, modern art, earth in the background. So I'm not going to use any parameter for this prompt because each model or each platform is having their own parameters, which we are not going to use. We are just comparing the models on the same prompt. So it has finished the image generation and this is the result. There is a little amount of variation in each image if we consider the color scheme. There are also some humans in second and third image. So let's go to the first alternate to MidJourney, that is Leonardo. Now we will provide the same prompt to Leonardo as well. Apart from that, everything will be same. I'm not going to provide any other parameters like adding the elements, which is a new update from Leonardo. I will keep 2 images so that my tokens are not utilized. By the way, you can have 150 tokens per day. Okay, so this prompt and this setting will utilize 16 tokens of this prompt. Okay, so let's click on generate. Okay, so it has generated a very good image. Human are there. Okay, so there is some activity going on over here. Yeah, so modern art, earth in the background, so it is displaying moon over here, so it doesn't make any sense. But yeah, if you are considering modern art, so this one is more aligned to the prompt, but there are 2 or 3 more earths are there in the background, so it doesn't make sense. But by improving the prompt, you can improve the image generation. Next one is Craiyon. Okay, so Craiyon is also another free platform to generate the image. And apart from that, because we are generating an art, we will select art. By the way, it is default. And I'll click over here, draw, means generate. So the images have been generated. We have not entered any negative words. Now, what are negative words? If you include something, for example, humans, if you include humans in negative word, it will not include any human in the image generation. For example, if you are generating an image of fruits and you don't want oranges in those generated images, you can use orange in negative words. So it will exclude whatever you have included in negative prompt or negative words. So again, artwork has been generated. These 3 images as well as these 2 images can be considered as a little bit good artwork, but apart from that, you can see the result. Another one is Playground AI. It is another AI tool which you can use to generate the images for free. So I will use the same prompt and click on generate, and let us wait for the result. So kind of a good result, but again, not aligning so much to the prompt. Next one is Adobe Firefly. Now, Adobe Firefly is also providing some other options like generative fill, then text effects, and much more tools to experiment with. Now, let's just click on text to image so as to generate the images based on the prompt that we provide. So describe the image you want to generate. So I will paste the same prompt and just click on generate without messing with any other parameters or styles or anything else. So it is art over here. It is the aspect ratio provided over here. You can also change the aspect ratio or the kind of type of art that you want to use specifically. So the image has been generated. And yeah, so city landscape on the moon and earth in the background. So modern art. Yeah, so this is the result of Adobe Firefly. Next one is DreamStudio. Here you can provide the prompt, and again I will not touch the negative prompt because I don't want to exclude anything from my prompt, and I will just click Dream. So it is generating my images. So the images have been generated, and yeah, kind of good artwork. So this is a result of DreamStudio. Yeah, so next one is Stable Diffusion. Here I will paste the same prompt. Now there are many styles available, but I will only leave cinematic default because I don't want to mess with any parameters, neither the seed or guidance scale, so as to see that how each model differs in generation of the images based on the prompt you provide. Here I want to add something that many models are very good at generation of artwork, but not the realistic images. Okay, so you need to select that which model you want to go for. Let's just click on generate. Okay, so image has been generated and this is the result. I'm not going to comment on any image. You judge and you decide that which image you like and which free alternate you want to use. And the next one is BlueWillow. I will just paste as I did in all the models and click on create. You even don't need to sign in to use this platform. Yeah, so image has been generated and this is the result. By the way, you can also use BlueWillow in Discord, just same as we are using MidJourney. If you want to learn about more AI tools like this, join our workshop in which we are covering multiple AI tools which will save your 2 hours per day in your working profession or your personal life if you are using computer in your day-to-day life. It is currently available at 99% discount. In just ₹9, you can join the workshop and save your 2 hours per day. Link in the description.